Are you visiting Pike Place Market and looking for something warm, comforting, and delicious? Well, you found the spot here at Piroshky Piroshky. This popular walk-in is serving up special baked goods to any hungry tourist that comes their way.
We are Eastern European, Americanized, inspired bakery.
The owner of Piroshky Piroshky, Olga, is bringing well-known Russian street cuisine to the streets of Seattle.
You go here, you get a hot dog, right, on the street.
Gotcha.
In Russia, you will get a piroshki in your
I
hand.
see. So what can I expect inside of a piroshki? What's a typical
Anything.
piroshki like?
You can expect anything from our traditional potato mushrooms to beef and onion to now our Northwest most popular one, smoked salmon and beef and cheese.
Okay, all right. Today we're trying their special potato cheese piroshki with potatoes straight from Othello.
You do not need forks, you do not need knives.
Okay.
This is a handheld food.
That's it.
And how we share it is you break it apart.
Just
and
like
you can
that.
see all the little gooey stuff in here.
It's so doughy and warm and comforting.
Yeah, it's the best food to eat your feelings. I'm telling you, I've been doing it for 20 years.
So now let's see what the people of Pike Place Market think of these piroshkis. Look inside.
Beautiful. I like this. It's delicious. It's savory.
Very soft bread, very moist.
It's not heavy, overpowering on the cheese or the onions. Soft, savory, salty, delicious.
You don't need a fork, you don't need a plate.
Just need a napkin.
You just need a napkin and off you go. Now how could you go wrong with potatoes and cheese, right?
It's really good. Incredible.